Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain indicator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the European Parliament voted against POW ban, proof of work ban, because this was a big issue yesterday on Monday. We didn't know which way we are going, but this is great news. The second thing I would like to talk about is that more than 80% of funds locked in decentralized finance are kept on 5 chains on 21 different DeFi protocols. And the third is all about that Ukrainian government launches crypto donation website with FTX, Kuna and Everstake. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, very important to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm keeping you up to date every single week. They bring you the videos, subscribe, bell button, all. That's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also, check out the links under this video, many useful ones. For instance, a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Lots of useful information and tips in it. Right. And now let's looking at the price of cryptos. Bitcoin $38,652 US, which is 1.1% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum went down 2.2 in the last 24 hours, $2,535 US at the moment. When we're looking at the leaders, we have Torchain 14% up. On the second place, we have Xido Finance 9, almost 10%, and there we go. eCash on the third place is 7.3. When we're looking at the losers, we have here Humans AI 11% down, almost 12ish. On the second place, Zcash going down 9.2, and on the third place, here we go, Radix 8.1. Okay, let's have a look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, where you can see that if you're looking at the VPR, this level where we are right now, around 38-ish, 39,000, it's a very important one because this has the biggest volume in that area. So actually, this is a very important level. After, if you're losing it, there is less volume for activity. And also, if we have here this triangle, which I have drawn here for a while, because we are in it continuously, as you can see, and we will see, do we break out here, because we also started very short, but the kind of downwards trend here with lower highs. And if we continue this, then definitely we will break to the downside, but we can recover here and go forward to the upside. And then maybe the rejection could come from here. Here it came a bit earlier because this 2000 is also a very important resistance level, sometimes support, sometimes resistance, as you can see it here. And yes, so this is what we are watching right now. Bitcoin right now continuing this sideways movements, and do we break to the downside or not? We will going to see it, because we are very close to this trend line, which is the lower line of this triangle. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic, it's all about that a great vote in the European Parliament yesterday, because they voted against the POW ban. Okay, so yesterday we had a shaky day when it comes to Europe and crypto and proof of work, because you know, the European Parliament voted, and yes, in the draft, there was a sentence, and let's talk about it actually. Here we go. So, the problematic line would require currency providers to submit a detailed plan of their compliance with environmental sustainability standards. And in case of Bitcoin, which is proof of work, and some other decentralized systems, such details couldn't be provided in principle, as there is no existing central operators or individual or collective decision maker. This is one thing, but another thing, another issue was here that proof of work, it's just using too much energy, and it's not energy sufficient. So therefore, they don't like this kind of proof of work mechanism, and this came in lately in it. It wasn't in it for a while. It was in and then out and then in. And yesterday, they actually voted against this proof of work ban. This is actually very important because now we can continue in the direction because regulations are important. Otherwise, we cannot really fit crypto in our present financial system. But with these kind of bans, they could kill, this kind of crypto development and flow in Europe. And this would be very, very bad. But thanks God it didn't happen. Right. Okay. Next important thing I would like to talk about is that more than 80% of funds locked in decentralized finance are kept on 5 chains and in 21 different protocols. So this is how the whole thing looks like at the moment. Okay, so DeFi is definitely developing, but how the whole map looks like. And let's have a closer. Sorry, my mistake. I pushed the wrong button, another signal. Okay, anyway, so back to DeFi. And now you can see it, that 80% of the locked funds in DeFi are kept in 5 chains, basically, and 21 different protocols. If you're looking at DeFi Llama, you see that TVL, so the total value locked, is almost 200 billion at the moment. We do see that we had much higher numbers here. We came down, but not much, to be honest with you. Look where we were here back in beginning of, or just come here, March. Okay, let's talk about March here. So this was like here a year ago. Even now the market is down. People leave their funds in DeFi protocols, as you can see, because the prices came down, but they didn't take that out. Look, it's still locked in. And let's go through which are these 5 chains so we get a clearer picture. We have Ethereum as a number 1. The TVL is 108.51 billion. This is actually, roughly speaking, 54% of the value locked in different DeFi protocols. And the top decentralized exchange DEX platform tied to Ethereum is Curve Finance with 17.72 billion, or when you see this number here, where is it? 17.66. So pretty much the same, but it's just like keep changing a little bit, but it's still fresh news. Okay, so the second one is Terra. Terra actually is the second one with almost 26 billion, which is 13% of the total TVL. Then we have Binance Smart Chain right now, which has half of Terra's, almost 12 billion, which is about 6% of the total. Then Avalanche is the next one, which is just under Binance, 10.8 billion, 5.5% of the total. And then we have the last one in the row in the top 5, Solana, which is 6.7 billion about, which is 3.3% of the total TVL. So as you can see, these are the most popular chains when it comes to DeFi. Definitely Ethereum is the leader one, 4 times more money is locked in on the Ethereum blockchain than on Terra, which is on the second place. But Terra is definitely coming up, guys, because it's getting stronger and stronger. Recently, we see how the market cap of Terra is going up. Even in these bad times, Terra is around all-time highs. So it's very, very important things what's happening over there. Okay, just an update a little bit about DeFi. And now let's move on to the third topic, which is the Ukrainian government launches a crypto donation website with FTX, Kuna and Everstake together. I have talked about it already that donation go to Ukraine in crypto in several cases to support the Ukrainian side against Russia. And now you can see that Ukrainian government launches a crypto donation website actually with FTX, Kuna and Everstake. So crypto exchange FTX and Kuna and the staking platform Everstake have partnered up with Ukrainian government officials to launch a donation website for users wishing to send crypto to help the country and its people. According to the website, users have sent more than 48 million in crypto at the time of publication, which is roughly 24% of the platform's 200 million goal. So that's what the goal is. So the fund will be sent to the National Bank of Ukraine and used for ammunition and necessities to support the country's armed forces and humanitarian aid program. Fiat donations to Ukrainian central bank in various currencies are also accepted. So how it goes, cryptocurrency donates to the DAO are stored and governed on-chain, then transferred to FTX, a centralized exchange, to be sold for fiat USD sent via SWIFT to the Ukrainian government. So this is the route as it reaches final goal. And well, we can see that crypto donation working successfully. Even that here, the last part, the final part, it's not in crypto, but you know, technology is going to develop. And as you can see, starting from crypto, it's already a great deal. Crypto is just with us for 13 years. That was when Bitcoin started back in 2009. It has developed a lot. We can see that it's developing every day, getting bigger and bigger, and really suits our digital life, our because it's the money of the internet. It's a decentralized digital currency when I'm talking about Bitcoin. So, and you can send here actually many other cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, DOT, you name it. And yeah. Okay, so the donation in crypto is just continuing. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content which I'm providing every single weekday for you to keep you up to date. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, to keep yourself up to date, as I just said. And I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.